Katie would have a heyday. I should bring her in here.
She'd have a fit. She wouldn't know
I've
what
never
to
seen
do.
her like her. God, I want to get in there.
They can't. They're like little flying Hopkins.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She'd be like,
Anyway, she'd go crazy.
until she started barking. Go pick Katie. We gotta go.
Look, they're duking it out over the feeder. They're territorial. My mom put up a bird feeder, and one little bird
So
staked
what
it out.
color is the female? What color is the male? Are they
The
different?
male is the one with the bright red throat. Look at the woodpecker.
Yeah, I've seen them. I don't get to see them very. Oh, which one? Okay, which one's the male? The one with the red head?
No,
or
the red. There's a red-headed woodpecker.
Yeah, what's the other one? Is that a woodpecker? Oh, he's up there
There's
now.
about 4 varieties of woodpeckers.
Is there? Oh, okay. I don't know much about birds. I just
saw
like
what
to
looked
see
like to
some
either be a
different.
downy woodpecker or a hairy woodpecker, and I didn't.
There was a hairy woodpecker.
Okay, I didn't see it long enough to be able to tell which one. They looked kind of similar.
Look at all those squirrels. Oh God, Katie would have a heyday. You're like, let me down, let me play.
Oh, there's a. Is that a downy woodpecker or a hairy woodpecker? I think that's a downy woodpecker. And it's a female. See, it doesn't have the spot on the
The hair, I
back.
was going to say, the hairy has a red, little tiny red dot on his top of his head. And I don't see one on there.
You're not
Oh,
going to
it's
see a
kinda black and
pileated
white.
woodpecker. These things are pretty.
The one that's eating over there? It's black and white.
The downy and the hairy, they're real similar.
5 of them really.
That one's got the red cap on it.
Well, that's a male.
Oh, there he is. He's cute.
Uh-huh.
Which one? He's
That
cute.
is a hairy woodpecker. Uh-huh. Hairy woodpecker, a male.
Is that a hairy one too? The one next to
The
it?
only difference between them is really it's kind of hard to tell them apart. I think that see his head is,
Oh,
and the other
get
one,
into it.
the downy has the red spot a little further back, like towards the nape of it.
Okay, we're part.